I want to show you something pretty neat. I've been playing with video streaming and drones quite a little bit recently, and the outcome of that is this. I've currently got a DJI Mini 2 drone out there on the drive, and it's being controlled by me here on the standard Digi controller. And I've got a tablet on the top because my eyesight's poor, but I can see real-time video from that. Now the clever bit is that I'm also on this tablet running the Videosoft encoder, and that is taking a screen capture, encoding it in real time, and sending it up into the cloud to the Videosoft server that I'm running on my infrastructure. So it's a private server in the cloud. It's got an encrypted stream running from this tablet to it. And then on my tablet, I'm running the Videosoft client that's connected to the server and receiving the video stream. Now, why is that clever? Two reasons. This stream between the tablet and the cloud is a single stream. It's encoded, and it can also send and receive control signals too. So you can do a lot more than just video stream, but that's for another day. The second reason is no matter how many people are connected to this live stream and viewing it, the bandwidth in use between the tablet and the server stays the same. Brilliant. So I've got a 10 gigabit Ethernet connection on my server. I can have 1,000 people streaming video in real time, live video from this drone, but only ever have a single bandwidth stream or single stream of bandwidth running from the tablet to the server. Let me just take off because I know that's what we all want to see. And you can see then, as I press the buttons and interact with the drone, just how low latency and how effective this really is. In fact, I don't need to look at the tablet at all. It's the same, and perhaps I ought to try and get a camera to show this. The latency is very, very, very low between my real-time tablet here and the client that I'm viewing on my laptop. And this lets me see exactly what's going on, and would let me actually potentially fly this drone remotely using the Videosoft client if I had the technology to do so. I don't in this case. This is using DJI's own controller and local frequency. It's not beyond line of sight. But if you had a drone that you could send command and control over standard TCP UDP to it, then you'd be in a really good position. Yeah, and this is it. Full control of the drone, full visibility, single stream, very, very clever. Oh, what I should say is that this is connected via or using a Peplink. And let me just land the drone so I don't forget about it. There we go, pop that down the ground there. There we go. So let me show you the interface to the Peplink that's streaming the video for us. And this is it. So I'm using Peplink's SpeedFusion VPN, and I'm combining multiple links. At the moment, I'm connected to a long-range dome, and the long-range dome has got dual 5G cellular connections in it, and you can see these in red and orange. I'm actually not sure what the cellular providers are. Let me look. So cellular 1 is Vodafone, and cellular 2 is 3. Well, that's pretty good. You'll also see that we've got a WAN connected, and that WAN is actually Starlink. And what will be perhaps of interest is that we're not using Starlink very much here for the video stream, and you might wonder why. Well, part of what SpeedFusion does is it works very hard to deliver the lowest latency, highest quality bandwidth using the available WAN links that it has. And what we can see here is that we've got some downlink packet loss, and uplink we've got quite a lot of out of order packets, which in itself is quite interesting. Suggests that there's some interesting routing going on over the cellular network right now. But importantly, on the uplink, very little packet loss. You know, there's very little red there, is there? If we come across to the Starlink, and this is a Starlink Mini on a stand out there, perfectly aligned, I should say, you'll see a couple of things. We've got some very variable latency, and we've got packet loss both on the downlink and the uplink. Now, that is why, in this case, SpeedFusion is using cellular and the video stream is being sent over the cellular connection rather than Starlink. If we were in a better location, I've probably got a bit of obstruction out there in front of the Starlink Mini, then I would expect to see the Starlink being used more for the video stream. And indeed, if you just have Starlink, and if you've got multiple Starlinks, which is the best world when you're on Starlink alone, then SpeedFusion does a really good job of combining the two Starlink links, duplicating packets, sending forward error correction, and just cleaning up that video stream so that you get the best possible video out the other end. But that's probably a video for another day. Thank you. That's what I wanted to show you. Video streaming from drones using Videosoft and Peplink. Very clever stuff. I need to do some more of this and show you a bit more of what it can do. Take care. Bye-bye.